back AC network na o share your program aya tuniding Cyprus 360 na ene minia odene ho na asare abeka me ho ewo ha sei enti yebedi enkomo na ene enkomo na ye di no ye hwe enya ye mamu Ghana sene coronavirus no ni situation a ewo ho etie enema bi a sese ye enema bi a enka ensese ye na ye di ho enkomo enti no ye be kire ya adwen enti nso wa akonya se wo be kire wa adwen enti no wa kire wa adwen ewo video no ase na ya adwen kire enti nso so no wa akonya se wo be kire wa adwen ode no
Nya
akwaba
ye nya
na abrabo mu ti sei
abrabo ndi on ti tralala sa
enye kura igugu
ngo nyaminti
I say India function no I said prepaid meter
I was auto credit guzu venera ne
sir
na mo credit no sadia ba sa no 85 years wo we
Ghana prepaid
nya some koto
na ode no ho ene ye hwe coronavirus
okay
Ghana situation enim say case we eye ewiase afa na nyina but ye man Ghana ho hia yenti no
of course
ene ye bedi nkomo na atie fo nso so akire o ma adwen ne ahwe ne ekoyie ne ankoyie enti no ye di kan coronavirus no tell no hu no how do you see the whole situation
well worldwide in the unia enya some kotwa na wo hwe ye ne ye man USA ya we ya enzo so wa uni bibia yare no enye yare a ye yare a ekese se didi agro sabi nipa nkwan fa ni agro
no crapa
ntino so what na na wo ka se coronavirus dey eni ho anaze eni ho a enyenya on sa na obeka no mo enya o mo no unse ha enye bete
na unse time a virus start ye no ye man Ghana ya na ebinom say virus no enye no kra ebinom say mpanifo no pese omudi sika ewo virus no aya na medwen ho a aya na menti asa de ntina to da bi ho a ya adwen tisa because ade we say a worldwide situation world pandemic ntina ba ne say na Ghana ye exception to the point say obi be ka say mpanifo pese omudi sika ntina omo record cases ebinom kra say cases na ya record no figures in enye no kra ebi say recovery rate no enye no kra why all this doubt
I think the lack of information I said in my public no I won say BBC na ekoko ba say the wokan yempani fo na discuss dodo
mom
interma sisi no say asam kwa no kra wo be kan akosa obi kronfo bi kwa sorry na o se na massacre o na wo be confess yes say tama na menya nsakra na mi tawi aponchen e wo area mu ha na obo area ne din she bra even though aponchi be yira next week enyo no kofa ya but then I'm so can say mmiri bi etwo no no wi apont we ga say kai
and no crowd say obi a pai say na aponchi yira kra na won say osofo abro be
no wo ho nso e bi kwa na yesa anete na kan kra na waka wo so what into the me hu say two things they di kan Ghana for no yempani for no emfa information in my public ni ye enyoma say ma omu obi ho mo tie kura onyante ade na se ye ye kan kwa ye kan brofo mu asabe obi ho nyanko school and that's the education level kwa endu kwa ya mfasa mo kira ade na se ye nti on tie ase and as baby oteno on tie
na ya kura ye ka say kura na de bi ho kura na say wo kana say opeso nipa no tie ase ye a wo kan twi a tie ase ne ye gam sin say wo be kan brofo
be kan brofo
kan twi a tie ase ni tumi
papa so wo ho so ebedu ho mo na ye mfa information in fama papa nti me didi say no ka ho
say ye friend say
no mo dis kan so ache
information sika sam ne de ye be ba ho na information a wo kan say from time to time na me hu say Nanado Emma updates Minister of Information upon Nkrumana Oma your friend is saying updates and those days now Minister of Health and sana on so yaka say or isolation on so no Oma intimidate this information no na nya yankasa Ghana for your mentality
oh say yen Ghana na
ma menti asi o say
I different kakra yen Ghana na want to say on say minuti asisi enye baby akwa electricity wo so what I say enye obi na wo radio enye obi na wo TV enti no nkurase fo na sabi ta fracture omo baby ase be mo koko ase anaso mo do koko fu at the light enye ndu ho anaso only radio wo ho anaso time na do be masa information na wada no kwan ben so na ebetimi afa ye the information be mo time na misua no do mo ye so mo de ka akọ na nante krom na sa mwefi bia mo de mo information ayi bi
national omoka yellow bi no so ma penti hu info
no mo kuta microphone no mo kan sam oku dent no mo yesa kire se obi wo no mo a onya nte sa asam no eche se bebi owo no a remote
ba ne ma bagana kopa
ne ma bagana ko bra ba won se
okay makai pa
aha sisi ani ye ko mo se ye ko enim in fact nya mi mu kwenya se bia Ghana sabe aya ye ne aye bi ko ma se zo nto ye bukakra enye se Ghana nya e ko na mum no me se ye betimi akoso ade sa process na first na tetefo no mo koso no mo ye yin no na ye hunu no o betimi akoso aye sa just to get the public informed
yo na na ye din common ye ntoa ye common so me gidi say nanado ema Ghana ye call self quarantine think say we a situation a ebiase afa na nyina ko Italy ko Germany USA say nipa bebre you know mo ko quarantine na sefo na nanade niema bebre yegu akwan mu ye kase nana ayade enso so no time a nana bie system no mu finally no ye mu bi de ye hu ni say kan say nana bie system no mu say ne obi ye because US are making big mistake and coronavirus worldwide which figure ni mu I think say you even omokita more we say omo dey do is it 3 million
yeah you say that 3 million you could have more than 130,000 people almost.
So it me hu ni say US are mistake bi an kase say Ghana ye hwe sa mistake you know ne kayen de correct ye but me hu ni say
well afabi me no ya adwin afabi so me no nya adwin
okay
all say Ghana na da ho Ghana no intimi kase ye to Ghana mu to say the other countries ni ye as no beto ekrumu no as before I be close to country no obehwe wo statistics and obehwe also when you compare the population now population nipa na omo mu no nipa dodo se na enya yare ne per day nipa dodo se na omo ato omo nipa dodo se na ewu nipa dodo se na numaduro nipa dodo se na yese. And so you look at all these things based on your country. Now what decided with the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Information, yes. Public Service, no.
Yes.
Now we know what now. No more who come for somewhere then. Say move tum and I move here. Also Ghana, you to mean tum. To say the other countries tum. Ghana, include was no bit me atna fie. I ordered an idea bro. So what I say. If you go any bank account. Obi won mo me market people e so mo come market wan kwa on timi no wadidi obi wo hono mo a mobile money no na ne sika wo so what I say na say kase ye close to country no that mobile money for anya adwuma na wo so atum no na o so ondi no o kwa hifa koyi ne sika mpo no akoto aduane ye fa na say wa market for abi na sika no ko for wan so ko mobile money so what I say it is obi mobile money for kakra so wo ho ntiane no ye ne count the way atie no we can go on a total lockdown. You know, me did say, Diana na ye no, infitiase no, ogumu kakra na ye, na mo ogumu dodo.
The whole and na ho ye ban because me share to say and sorry e kwan a na na fa so bie asori na me nka say ayi but I would say Ghana for and I say Africans we are notoriously religious. You know, oh yeah, it na say
as a
like
whole
religion entino me hu ni say asore say na ye bie ye no enka say na na bie minim say asofo ni bebre a propound so many theories e be say the coronavirus no the plot you know of the Satan to prevent Christians from worshiping God and as for but me hu ni say sometimes you know we have to stop being too religious and be a little scientific because when you can say I don't think that this theory holds. How on earth will you say that? It's a plot by Satan to prevent Christians. Yeah.
The worker met was the worker no to say. And you say the worker a womb. Anointing and I make us say I was see educated public no. So public nyanka ya ma omo de ya reneti ankasa and kasofo bin kontra the pulpit so enko formulating some be man be kasa Satan I say the Satan tin na yi say So what I say? Here we are maybe a year we are on a different level. We are on a different, whether you like it or yes, things like this are going to happen. When they happen, we have to look at the scientific basis of it. Not yet they are kind of not yet they are boy a bra. Not bra, my main coming can't quit. Na say tamana corona nyamba yi na nipa yare hin fa na yakọ yanko hospital na hospital nya science tamana corona nyamba yi ohia so banu madura onko drugs onko to edro drugs no nya science na ye enti dent na corona ya ba na government etimi atena se akata so asem esi tena fie na momien fa science na eta chiri fam white se na ka okọ drug store and at said okọ hospital no na dey obeka say satanic dia eno dey ho no so no omo a megiri say so mo teso sa asofo no so mo yes anu so no ometumi ateso a ebeboye mani na because this is not about religion anymore.
Say more because you know like kwanya to say nana you say sorry nipa 100 and ebekọ sorry and utimi nko sorry onko she mask na onfa ntoni mask she wana na we
now the tone microphone can say who use we are obi so be use so what I say
so hu entina kwanya say say ye dwen ye nkwa ho kakra because me gidi say udi coronavirus ye chi say wo kwa sorry na say wo koku wa hwe ya heavy ade ba kon so a ye hwe eye na ye hwe the case of electoral commission EC na ya hwe MPP4 primaries a omo hold ye na ye wi a ya hwe esukufo a ye ma kwan ye bie school so omo ko school any ohawa
bufu pa
ha dwen pa
ha dwen tese ultimate da dwen ho kase na why na eni na do tena se kaka nsem we ma akufo ado tie ye because remember every president has his own cabinet or more advisor
differently
so what yes me ti wonu mu anya se bibi kire ma adwen a me nkofo me from obi so mo mo tu wonu mu wo obi oba from nti bi se akufo ado on sorry enkonkotena yisu say TV station say oh asemesi monso na monko school eheda ya on the cabinet be na tena ase the question is say cabinet na money na out of tena ase na omni no di nkomo say monko sa primaries na monko we no omo di nkan e the coronavirus ho protocols bae and as protocols bae the protocols say no mo kan no bra ye TV pa
yes
sure your social media kakra eti no onema bi e koso won say bra eni enyan hwe tokwa e koso obi won ko wonya virus ni bi onka
dabi
obi won mo a virus no wonya bi on ko wonim osan de kosa na ofie ni na bewu de na nya bi a o de kosa na nkanso a na afi na yare na yeden na economy eti no de nti enenka e wo se eni se nka mo twen kakra ebia se de wa yare ne kono yenni kan so yare na no ansa yare ne nso anu Ghana
dabi
yare nso anu Ghana wo mo se eba na Italy for the kind nipa na ewu Italy no hwe China the see ye wo kofa bai for kon on ze omo ho ato omo European Union etimi allow omo so betimi abam ene Italy for omo timi etutu kan akra so what I say ban ene ye say ye di ba be so yare na no media bia no mo aye bi na wunim na minnim dia etere say wo sin kola nko school me ma dwintrenie o person kola ko school dem me primaries na yi ni dem no other matters bia so me start me kan was man ka say o akola we say chale so wa odua bo pa
ye be ka say o ye politics
politics into wo dey I will come back to that one but the main has to say because you know my mom ko high school what I say she said waba Bejina TV so na ye da was say woman update and all that and kolanko school because there's so much exam and yes sir because na academic year no ebe ko na ti so ba hu international kola no den omko school ye na actually na kakra the way at the charity also omko exams
at the charity na say calling
you're calling over
you know sometimes here na I miss the classroom so
easy so international kola no school BEC for wasi for her some kokotro exams enti ate ase na na do atre say o say ma san kola no kon na kokotro exams no omotro exams no wi a na atire mo ahwenchire ma no nyesa yate ase a good thing na momu no masem ne say time na omode sa ehihyeyen ne baaye no was the Ministry of Health involved as to say school biano yebema almost say at least one nurse and one doctor and I said this particular school no hospital about this area mo na mo fa 1 2 3 4 5 6 schools yare bia ba mundi om hujuma and I say nkola no ba be go back to school no was there anything that was done say every 3 days you better test and every 1 week you better test
every 3 days test there
say a protocol so what I say I don't know ma wo for na mo beto mu yem bra wo se me man ko school one chere me say akola ko school si am na yare abeyo yare nu nya probably say obetumi wu ye high no that's one for bibia to what oh mama me na ekofo ado me se mo nkran say mo wan kola no ko school no mo kwa me ne Ministry of Health edin komo protocol a ho no say obi abeko 6 feet apart omo try exam sir de to so mienu school bia be mo nurse ni ba ko de to so miensa ye be mo doctor ni ba ko na mo doctor for no boy de nti de be ne say school mienu bia benya doctor ba ko enti no mo ko
doctor Ghana no population ni ko here doctors ni ya
eno na me kire o say doctor for boy de sisi am no ka say I know some nurses
say we are okay I think say there were we say nana update by and say they were taking temperatures like checking their temperature.
That is not the sole determinant of whether you have a coronavirus or not. Our country is already hot. That's not a determinant for having coronavirus.
That was yes sir. I will make provision for PPEs for the teachers and common supply other materials.
Okay.
But then I don't know the kind of training equip the teachers with regards to attending to because nana ye case here to say tama omoko ye class omoko ye school bit say Odogono secondary school near T and say I think say on a day omoko ye na they had 2 suspected cases and then they had to quarantine them. And your friend is saying, Enre ya say what ya Accra girls and so no.
And also so
say and Kwalabe 6. And the panic, the fear I agree with parents, even to the extent say be no more rushing.
Of course
the school.
Why the ba won the ba because me mama banko on woni to say ade we tu na be tam na osibi tu me na makoto.
The same thing happened what your friend is saying KNUST. Boy ya you say owu ono de no kram si jamom si na ye osa enye ayi e friend is saying
and so one who say
and so no teachers na say
very good
obia so say obebencha
Cyprus Cyprus
nana kasa
and some phone and as last phone dia
teachers na no mo
ho and the whole campus program no was just maybe you saw
just
honorable
one because I heard say heard the norm say my interdicting but just for information so yeah
masa maybe you should kind of bro from be bogus one oh yeah bogus some bro fu say you nyina the ma kind of part because and it's true it's bogus share entini pa nkwa hu hia obi a she say nkolai senke coronavirus ntikwa na kwala na yare a eje ni own student na de adekwa form hene eye ekoso omunuam so wo mejiri so mo teacher for amane she say ka sa park
no musuro so obi asuro
bra usuro sedent na usuro eye owo hu na asem na ye kan yo
see ma o training bia say
training
because you say you mo attend to those patients are always say I believe say they've been trained. Of course. First aid training cry need a ma will be. Of course. Their first aid training cry ma. And what form of education of the ma teachers and they say in case say who suspect say obi we yare ni bia these are the protocols.
So what I say. It was as one making a fun baby no. But the trouble your president no. Well, your president, no, any
president no attack here. So, but me aka government. Okay, government now say attack.
Well, say the MPP government na siso. And so the MPP government no ono review ni yes as the sole president or the flag bearer no. You know, but the man
the
government no. Well, I said this is not a matter of MPP and this. Me don't have a matter for some.
Na so obia wo dey sad friend is coronavirus no e be year political issue no.
Na me aka say who dey tell we yes.
No. Say
there's no point. So what I say, Krasma make yi. One who say president ba information no say unkwala bet me back to school. Also be the can say obey down protocols. Protocols will have to involve the Ministry of Health, not just the Ghana Education Service. So the Ministry of Health, Ghana Education Service, and then the Ministry of Information will come together. The purpose of the Ministry of Information is to inform the public. Say, for say the president now. Ministry of Health is going to coordinate with Ghana Education Service. Say, when your teachers go back to school, this is what they can do. Let us train them. Pay the government. The government wants us to train them, do this, teach them how to handle all these things. It won't say somebody sat in Sawaswana. Then they see.
I think say in this case they can involve the teacher unions.
The teacher unions, not that for names, they will all come together and then they will perform their roles. And the roles now, Bebemuno, Usha, and someone see even though it's a coronavirus on par, they'll be involved. All say, I my teachers know they'll be involved. It is a teacher needed to be on Swakwalemwa. It means say, good equipment.
Sure.
They didn't get the training they needed. And then they were not also given any incentive. Who knows?
Incentive then time I issue the buy. And I think say you some paper they are now but you know be Ebekasa.
Okay. It's no okay. It's no who knows? Again, one incentive B, and I am more incentive B, and I then also. Okay. So these are all some of the things that will make a teacher not go there to help someone who has coronavirus. And I said, presumably no coronavirus. And yes, sir. National, on the other hand, they said, Sanka Wopana, who teach an unity among our training in Shantu Kalangu. It's not make us say, men come a president, no, and as a men come government, no, men come teachers, and I mean come teachers, no, mean government, no, me by so many abum say, Massa, at that particular point, na Kolana Yarnak, Obia, Uncofa, Park, Cassis, Hono. Into it is you. It is a you papa and to woo. No, all Timmy, Massa, will show you an arrow.
But an unim.
It's in the only master and sent teacher for the Sabi into Uncle Matter. So we are teaching now who now with him. It would always matter. Eh?
But I deba me said, me don't be Samia to me, no, and Kameka say, and can say, and a man Colanico school. And I say, and can say, man Colano Eco school. And in the midst of coronavirus, I've always have a thought, say, this is the time for Ghana to restructure.
Of course.
Say, Obey Krumwas. I mean, him said, easy. But this will challenge you to do certain things. If they are now ready, crash obey. It's an opportunity. Once I send you a buy a bonnie, but you can make, positive out of negative. It's in it to me, no, and can say, an Aman Colanico school. And I said, that's all my or my name Colanico school. You bet me amount to my programs in online.
Okay.
Obibe can say, Ghana internet. This is the time one, and can say, Ghana, it me the restructure because send me kaya na minim send ye be ye dey but one start here one start here
of course
it I say programs be bro how mount to online Ghana we can do the same thing. You better say sikeni ho. You better say friend say internet in one as for na quality school no omo didi o. It ni say sikani di be feed you omo no. Yentimi fan kon kwaye sa na ema no. Omo kwakwa trans school mu yi. Omo betua utilities and so na asefo. It all this money no can go into that.
Of course.
Omo start a laptop project na asefo. And kwan kosi be dia. This is the time and kese say omo taking a second look at this. We are not talking about say bia kolebi nim we ya onim nana I say we started online course and I see BBC I won't nim but they run Ghana and then omo ye
so
I say ye nkwala omo tifie nyina no teachers e kire omo de nana kwa be no fa so kire omo de
internet ya videos
or record ade no
na ya refer to links
and we read ya say teacher ni kura be call classroom because any teacher for no kura no omo adwuma no aye bebre senkola no komo ye 40 in a class ya chemu 15 and it ye find say 15 10 nature say teacher ni no ka class back wa oni unya one interaction no a day no unya 3 interactions just one class because teachers in the crown a friend is saying incentive ben on the two or near my yama health workers be sure some teacher phobi and so no ama nkola kwa go school mu you know with the negligence it can contribute to the spread you know of the virus.
Into the say Ekufuado don't say they will carry the make two different oh say also who adwin mu na kan ni say ye mom kokra and am smart adwin mu say anka ye mom koye no we should have put some protocols in place. So what I say it's two things either sanka na kan ni say mom kokra and I say okay yeah nam say person mo try exams so that emfa any setbacks by education system ni mu ntino yema omo anim form 3 4 no nko dia and the protocols been there to am because of coronavirus and amamefo akwakodina school mu so mo je omo ma mbako for security people akogu say yema won fa wo ba adenti yema won fa wo ba meti ase won say bibia no you don't always have to think of it say oh the old general and they're right into the person because I made junior right
yes nyansa ni obakofo
very good into me meti ase say eh bia the reason why it's here I'm go for security personnel begu won say eh bia na nkwala no ebi o yare ni de na omo so de kofi omo kwa kwasa omo so de be sign maamefo no but na make say when you na akora na nka ensi o anka ensi
na o say ade
na mami point masa na mi meji agbo house and then ya masa Cyprus na me kofi o
na yenya e friend say ofe ewo yen program no so na ye friend of free Ghana etino ofe so be my updates a little updates about the situation ewo Ghana ofe hello yeah ofe yamo akwaba yeah ofe na minia odeno ho yatena se na yedi coronavirus no enkomo Ghana's perspective na yedi a friend say a school for no ho de no enkomo ekwan ya ba ya school for ni ko school a ene I say coronavirus no yatiate say e wo schools no ama fear agripo some of the parents na situation no etise
sameni aban mu anka na nsese obi school e say bra oyes obi school no sabre ni ma na yare no spread ya na spread nti na esese nkotwentwen ne na ase na oso yare na no ansa na wabi school na no so obi no so no na ese odin hyehyɛ pa egu akwan mu ansa na wabi school no ye ya na se obi provide PPEs by PPEs ne nko no enso solve the problem ni nyina sa eye de eye waye bi but nko an so yare na no so hwe nkita ho a teacher for ne school for dia bro say we use PPEs to protect yourself internet so oye otwentwen na ase ansana wabi school
Intino at this point in time no you have two questions enkwala no enkese so muko school anase enkese so muko and currently no ehu be hia say ye mo muko fie anase omuko so ntre school mo
concerning school na wabi no say ye hu say mo friend bi ene teacher for ni bi ahyase nya yare no na amana ye hu bebre nti esese sabre nka ban no timi proactive enough nanka all close schools and it down for now. In fact, being in the classroom physically with your pupils as a teacher is not the only way we can educate ourselves. Nti nka esa ban to me ehu near a war ahead, though nobody knows the future. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Sebia ebesi hwa na se ebekoso atre se na ye hu no nanso no se enkoje nsem nti no otwaso ana o close schools ni down for the meantime na oso yare na no edru baby na obia meje se ebeboa nanka close down no wano wokusa kwan so se nyese teacher for ekotena fie kwa na emom ye be use internet and as you be making good use of the internet akɔso de akyerɛ na mmɔfra no nso akɔso asua deɛ na wɔn nkɔtena fie kwa nti na nea ɛno nso me wɔka ɛwɔ ho no so it is very important or necessary say close schools down for now.
Yeah, odene ho. Yeah, nti ofe na ye ne no ekasa ye na ofe teacher ni a ono so wa rise through the ranks wa call training college akwa university to try of one of the secondary schools before no so nti no ofe so view na o de buy ye ono say oni aban na enka omma enkwala ni ko school in the first place.
Very good.
And then secondly no senior situation aye currently no se ka oni aban na enka won twen ma case no enko nanim kura no wama no aye na nansa na beba mu no ma me san enka efe ne san assemble ko enfa ne ofe eka ye.
Okay.
Aha ye we many like ye were doing as ye many staff ye meeting asema me ka kire omo ni say we are not in normal times.
Of course
we are not in normal times. Esan say ebia nka dwuma wo mu no say nka bia obenya increment bia ebia be na 30 cent bi and 50 cent bi banana wodi media dance ye say ene ebinom we say $20 ebinum kita $5 ebinum kita $10 until which will say we are not in normal times.
True.
Until no enka oman no anase mpanifo no some susu di show mutrim say we are not in normal times, so we cannot go the normal way. So that it was so unnecessary for Kwalani to go back to school. This is the time for development.
Of course.
This is the time for you to make internet available. This is the time for you to give laptops and minim school be a say omo mounty omo we say online. School ni be a open laptop be a mount. Your mount Wi-Fi ka ho. I'm not saying say Ghana, but this is the time and can say starting but I say you see what's virus no edokro yen virus no be kwa ba na yegusu team baby ayitim
no correct also the of kai on say eno na me ne kai si na nka akwala enya bi na yenya ambulance no anase enam say school bia any ambulance no answer na kwala medical school no did we dedicate a particular car for each school akwala bi ye wo emergency bia ye betimi atama kwala na tum anase teacher for betimi agepene so okay government had equipped us with what PPE it nyan sha PPE no ye ntama kwala na yen kase mfa no hospital ebi wo hosa se bi ni hosa dia ene kwala kwala ko school no fa so bi ni so what is the mechanism? Yes, aban no abeka bibi anasa aban ni say ya na aban ti aban no ye ni party say wa obo na amane no chechem chen the implications are enkwano ko school betimi dey aba aban betimi etie
na 1924 no munim all those implications
no munim sa implications
no go money go so
MPP for primaries here ba mu ya
yes
me person na meka ho
na yenka no ho ase
when we say right now no and they are using that as a loophole so that they can do their primaries.
I'm for theory or
more. For theory, can the office said I don't call it here. Minimum no correct.
They
very good. And it's a minimum year NDC for.
Oh, David,
and that's a minimum year NG before.
And I'm saying virus case in it.
It is not about NDC or MPP. So what I say, and to me, media say, see, ya minimum to wait. MPP primary so. One primary so, one rally, one president, one everything. Master, let's look at Ghana first.
Ghana first.
Ghana, I mene wo ye mine. I don't know. Min wo quantum. Wo quantum. Nansu majority and that's 99% of our family is there.
Yes.
You will be able to say honorable Canada Japan. Or but now quantum mo fi hana ko na Ghana. You will be more omo din kan tu kwan aye niam bebre ono mo se da bi omo kwa kwatna Ghana aboa Ghana man no So what I say?
Enti na kwa de wo nipa bebre ko wo
na ku fo na kwa mo na ko fi ade so
wo na ni bo wo de maya program a one nkofo yi bi nkofo yi bi na nya Ghana for kra pese I say black Americans na nkasa na ye program ba ko e betena si na ye di hu nkomo na hu say ebinom so amko back amko kwatena
honum ko ye be hwe ne makakra enu ntina ma yen ya ye wo ha sisi yi ye hwe de wo ha na ye hwe de wo a ekoso na ye timi nya ho eka ho asem wo anioma ye mpanifo ye ne eye
because na o man ye ye nyina ne ye ko
na ye ko na o ze ma na ye ya ede oh yeah say I say how different one
Trump funny crew na funny saying premise ya ye kan ya yen sheda enka ye
asa na bufu se
kase eye agenda no you say no krepa wo me san say na time barrows wi eguso ayekoso nyina kra na yisi electoral commission na wo pushing the way through for the register and sana
shedi pa pepe so registration massa
nana eno na omo wie omo primaries ya no ministers no ne MPs ni test positive ene omo close ministries ni bi omo close government agencies ni bi even the president is now in isolation
so
inti no chese I yet do don't say na me can say we are not in normal times
no
asma me be some people might think say it be enya possible. But trust me, we don't have to wait for America to set that example before Ghana.
Before we do, no, we don't follow their statistics. We have our own statistics.
This year is an election year in America. The same thing applies to Ghana. And then still, Trump pushing for election. But Nana, many of Eddie Komoni Kase, and yet say election. Because we have to look at the virus and its implication. Any nipa ebo so ahase ya oba defend saying Trump pushing for way. Nana vote yomon ebin to online. Omo proxy voting na say for Ghana. What do Ghana and okita proxy ukakoto proxy voter. Agent bi wo ho o ma won to because onyiwu ni enyema
free ha Ufri na de kotopon ufri hana ufri go mwana aba
so etina sama na me kan na me ka say enka say you hold on to election this year na you postpone do election no emane ekọ next year you nim say NDC for MPs and say na net so but this is not about MPP or NDCC. This is about Ghana, the people of Ghana. Those who are going to vote during that time.
Yes.
Until we can say their constitution, and make provisions for that. Nana adia bakwa Ghana. Aya ne yenna enwe ho eni say constitution no. A common sense any Detroit. And sana constitution
a common sense.
And penifone common sense together.
1 + 1 is equal to 2.
So the same way and a constitution so when it becomes critical. You bet to me at Nasi. Because this we are not in normal time. Intine ye postpone do ye manana 1 year akahu. Ebia 1 year ne so na se ye to aba na se na wini a.
Asma okay.
1 year na se won to aso ni 4 years. Power drunk.
I will say all the political parties. Bet na betanase. So me, well, some kind of you know, some me, and you kufuado.
Yeah, na me chere for say senya ye chere ya adwin no so akwanya say obe chere wa adwin enti no fa comment e share video no ase chere wa adwin na ye nyina ye nim common na ni nyina ye Ghana ye muntia ni ayesre ne say obe keep o comment no clean. Isan say susu ye ni yesusu e bia na ye ti ano nyansa ni obako fotri e bia na susu wo adwin bi so keep the comment clean and then let's keep the discussion going. Na yento aso
yo me nua na me ka no ene say sisi ano on say aban na sisi ano yempo Ghana aban no wopa ye DPP ni ye QPP ye QCI ye Q1 right now he is the president.
Sure.
And as the father of the nation, no, me and I can be father of the nation. Me ma any omwaka, me money NDC for, me money CPP for me money TPP for me A plus the party no me money omo then am I hey mo am flag bearers ni na mo mbra na international have your own caucus meeting
and they didn't pin.
oh bra who dey say we tell me na make no as a father of the nation o wa wo manage and they say what akwa say yes yen koto aba na yen obi fuso no ankoto aba na say obi ko president na obuafu say den keni so no president na no ankoto aba eno ntina na do bet na so ba from some mra na mo fo ma adwen bra so friend one ba na say omo mbeba no be hye mra men kon koto na be bi nkan samfon etiba some make ani on bet me atena say adwen kire me kire
oh yeah na kire wadwen
na na do mahama A plus Dr. Paco Sindum mu na amombra o moment me ambo mudi na mu de mu na amombra na international ne ndwere coronavirus tele edi enyo
Dr. Ni Amo ewo Dr. Ni
Amo
ARM or Australia
very good and that's all independent candidates no more na mu de mombra na yenye nyemfa adwen obetimi kwade o mampani da mu na ka ho because obono obetimi de omo na as a defenders because omo no mo di ka be di super even though omo time pandemic can back but you can use them as defenders o de omo wa mom nkasabi so that Ghana will know that it is not only you bringing Kufuor to be your defender and Rollins to be your defender, you're also bringing other people. Now you have some people that will come on TV and be saying, say, now Kufuor the amount of 2 weeks, television software will be partner software on home. But I'm not going to say, I'm not Bruh, who will make Kufuor the 2 weeks? So be a man. How dare you tell the president like that? Say me like you authoritatively say who Kufuor the me mouth who ya wanna say oh my president 2 weeks
you be the who
ya wanna
you be the who
it is only in Ghana say that me count him as here me na cause democracy na kasa ora hawadin well but me can say yamma ye you enye ye you na say da bi so think say I don't know da bi enti no say da bi say yamma nkola no mafia Ghana for yenye na yenye ano baako nkola no mafia and yema montina ho dia and the Ghana fu na yenye baako na yenhwe se nkola no omu yiye die no ho behia ye na yenfa abato ayini yenye yenfa to nche kakra yenhwe nkola na asem ne yenka this ma dwe no
yo nana ya da
oh ma hiti bawo
nana hiti ni dia say ni nyina is for the good it's for the good of Ghana so what I say na say ne ye kan Ghana ye nyina ye man etino ene yesi kuntu hanya ni ntia na ekọ dia ni a yekọ back to Ghana ntino yeti ya say no ye ni ewo eni me ti say me nana say me ti ya say me ka the last time me share CBNC or whatever channels and I made the piano me wo friend saying Facebook ni YouTube na se for no an say Ghana me wana me tie sa ntino ye nyina ye ni di Ghana ho ni epe Ghana eyie ntino nana ene ye de ye nkomo no ebe si ha sei na se ne ye di enkomo no wa wo hwe ye no so no program no ana se discussion no enwie e wa ha sei egusu a ye to aso ntino che wadwen e wo comment section ho na yenkipu discussion ni going and near Mr. Woni say keep the comment clean isan say ne ye di kan ye no it is for the good of Ghana and kwala ya omu school mu a panic agrepuom parents omu fie a panic agrepuom primary say didi mirika koyeye enempanyfo ni bi test positive ni bi quarantine any other cases to say sorry amount for the pressure to Akufo-Addo so bonsam mpese Christopher besom enso so no pepe fon
enkremo fon so kasen
entino enye
Kokubo Samson kasen Kokubo Sambe ka pe
Kokubo Sam de somebody omo wo ayi o
ada omo do nsom
omo da bi omo no mo wo omo abusum dem de se
na abusum basa it's called a god
abusum dem de se nipa be ye mienu pe ne wo ho
emfa ho it's also a god
na nipa miensa
every person has the right to
enti wo nipa ne nurse social distance ye adwuma wo
oh okay kremo fon so Harry Krishna fon so Jew fon so etu mutimi kasa Christians nko a
ye wenta busia ene ye de ye nkomo no ebesi ahase na wo hwe yen ewo KC network na mediane Cyprus minia odene ho enene ishia ya edi enkomo. Call me Cyprus and I'll tell you to go get your dream. And don't forget, teamwork makes the dream work. Stay safe.